If your mind feels busy right now, this will help. You don't need an hour. You don't need silence. You just need a few intentional seconds. Mindfulness isn't about escaping your life. It's about returning to it on purpose. Here are 3 simple ways to practice mindfulness right now. First, the breath reset. Pause. Take 1 slow breath in and 1 slow breath out. Don't change it, just notice it. The cool air in, the warm air out. That single breath is enough to interrupt autopilot. Second, the 5-second awareness shift. Look around you. Name 1 thing you can see. Now notice 1 thing you can hear. Maybe it's distant traffic. Maybe it's your own breathing. And finally, 1 thing you can feel. Your feet on the floor, your back against the chair. Awareness anchors you to the present, and the present is usually quieter than your thoughts. Third, the release practice. Ask yourself, what am I carrying right now that isn't mine to solve? Sometimes we hold tension that belongs to tomorrow or to someone else. You're allowed to put it down, even briefly. Mindfulness doesn't require a perfect routine. It requires moments, 1 breath, 1 sound, 1 release. If you're feeling overwhelmed, come back to this. Your mind doesn't need fixing, it just needs your attention.